acid smells of desperation. See it in the mirrors in my head. It can be beautiful and blessed by creation, but still a memory is a moment that's dead. Under all these trees, these acts of self-delusion, I thought a better life was mine if I spent the moment in a hard confusion, racing further down the line. In my head, the things I failed to see, the ways I always missed her. All I can hear is the things left unsaid. And if you follow the road far enough to pages, had the message where it takes, you find a solitude you can't find it.